it's a very difficult moment for me. I'm sure most of you know that our church was demolished. Our church structure was demolished yesterday by Harare City Council. No one was but it's something that is painful because it's something that I've worked for. And I'm sure that every church member is in pain with me right now. Yesterday, I was just phoned to church Kurukuru Pazwa. I was not even aware of that because Tiripa lockdown. I received about 5 calls. And by the moment I drive over Kumbanchishika, you know, the church that I like so much was down. And people were celebrating, especially the locals in Glenview. This is where I grew up. And I know I have a lot of enemies in Glenview. They were so happy when that happened. Pandaridza song yokuti rudo aruna manyawu, rudo aruna godo. I wanted to remind people that the same people vano vaipururudza nezuro chechi ichidonedzwa, those same people vandinopa mvura pabhoho repachechi. Other church members were saying, but why would you continue to give them clean water when they have done that? My message to you as church members, I say, I continue to do what is right, because when I serve God, I do it for God. I don't do it for any other people. The question is, was it a legal or illegal structure? That's the question that everyone is asking. The truth of the matter is, on that place we were on temporary lease. We agreed with City Council that whatever we are going to build, it was on temporary lease. That's why we've been paying to them. Mari dzavaiti vanoda zviri temporary, and takanga taudzwa kunzi we are not supposed to build a permanent structure. That's why we did not even build a permanent structure. We were complying. And I remember with City Council, we used to work hand in hand, different projects in Glenview. Last year, but one, they asked for money, Machita Christmas party. I provided, and they invited me. I was there. They did not even tell me kuti vari kuronga kuzopwanya. Inini ndiri kuti vanhu vekukanzuru, this is your land. Was it not wiser for you to just tell us to remove our structure? Then we could have done it. Why did you choose to humiliate me in that? Do you hate me that much that you can choose to humiliate me, to be in front pages on the Freddy Chichi yake yadonedzwa? And surely you understand kuti hapana munhu anomboenda panzvimbo yaasina kumbobvera anzi aende. Haungoeri kana wamuka ungoenda panzvimbo usina wataura naye. I just do believe, I have a feeling that kana mamuchida kungotititibve, you should have just told us. To me, you have given me a heartbreak, and I know I'm not the only one. Vakawanda vanhu vanobhadhariswa mari neCity Council muroad kumusika, but kana vakupwanyirwa mareceipts avaibhadhara haachameka sense. And as I'm talking to you now, I'm aware, fully aware, that many people are celebrating. This is not my downfall. But I'm just a human being. I'm just telling you that I'm in pain. Not that I don't know what to do. Ndonoenda mberi sei. Azvire kuti handisikuziva. But I'm just in pain. Surely, this was just a church. Ine vamwe vanhu vakawana matestimony ipapo. Shed yedu yakabviswa, capacity yayo was 1,500 people. Marata anga aripo ndandakaisa less than a month ago. All along taingoshandisa matents because we knew that it's a temporary thing. One way or the other we need to move. Then when we approached this is what we are thinking, we approached the council, and actually I'm building a shed. But shed yandikuvaka inokwanisa kubvisika when you want to utilize your place. And I was given a go ahead to do that, and I simply just did that. In fact, pakapiwa na president a speech yekunzi gatherings are limited to 50 people. I was just saying, since we have a church, then that's what we need to do. And the Sunday actually at some point of church, tango pesa kusama sheets atata pesa kutenga. Isu se church at sata mboshan sama sheets wayo kana kupina mshedi momo. Loba ya destroy. It was painful for us to raise that money. But my finances are right, and I appealed to the church to raise the funds. And there's someone who pledged his car in order for us to finish that shed. To me, I just feel it was just a one way. Even 4 hours notice, it was good enough to us. We could have made a plan. Taiba. It doesn't mean that we don't comply with the authorities. We do comply with the authorities. But what we are just saying is just to be notified. 4 hours notice was good enough to us. We could have. Tengo visa marata. Toba. Twenda patofana kwenda. But doing it, ndiripa lockdown, I was complying with government. And not ndakabuda pamba. Ndangori pamba. Because I know that there is corona. And gathering yandakawana iripo pa Glenview, pa church, in a mixture yevamwe varikufara kuti awira pasi, in a mixture yevamwe chavakakanganwa inyaya social distance. Because surely kana paine one airwara pakati pavanhu ivavo, I assure you kuti panogona kuita a disaster. Tikatadza zvakare kuzocontaina the same diseases that we are hoping to contain. So I'm just here because I don't know where to go, because my offices are vakavharwa. It was even difficult for me to travel to Glenview. Ndichibva kumba kuenda ku Glenview ndichinzwa kunzi chechi iri kupazwa because munenge mune ma road blocks, and you know when you don't have a pass you cannot pass through. It was difficult for me, and I used this thing to just say, Harare City Council, but why did you do that? Why did you just tell us that we could have moved? We were not going to die there. We knew that was not our land. We knew we were on temporary basis. That's why we never built a permanent structure, because we were aware of that. And you knew, because I was talking and working hand in hand with you. Vanhu Glenview varikupururudza, my message ndeyekungoti mvura handimomera kukupai, rambai muchingochera mvura, because mablessings angu haabve kwamuri, but mablessings angu anobva kwamuri. Ndoziziya kuti mvura ikatanga kushayikwa, I know. Vamwe venyu even pandaingokupai mvura chero ndikasvika mamusingandimhorese, maizongotaura neni chete kana muchinge maona kuti line riri kunzi rakurisa, ndo pamaizouya muchindimhoresa. You've never liked me, I know that. My church members, I can say, this is not the end of it. Ndosaka ndakaparidza 3 weeks ago kuti zvinodangidzwa. Vanhu vari kuti saka profeti imi munoti hazvibvumidzwa kuti paitike chinhu chisina kubvira chakaprofitwa. Mamazviona here kuti ndozvichaitika? The thing is, God will always tell us. I wrote a song. When I wrote that song, it was meaningless to me. I sat here, Buddha. And God told me, kuti uchabatwa panorwadza. And for a moment, I was thinking with Pamwe's death in my family, or somewhere. And I was praying, kuti Mwari ndiprotecte. But now I know what it meant. Ndaida kuburitsa song iyoyo, and God told me it's not yet. Because you are supposed to kuiburitsa when you have real tears. And that's what I'm going to do. Because ndikurwadziwa. I started to prophesy when I was doing grade 4. I was very young. Church ndikatanga Goodness and Mercy ndine 22 years. Ironically, ndakaitanga musi wa 15 May 2005. Yanga iri time futi yemuramba mutsvina. Mabuildings achipwanywa, zvinhu zvichitorwa. I remember kuti by then, just before that, ndairamba kutanga church, ndairamba calling. If you didn't know, I didn't want to be a pastor. That was something that I never liked in my life. And when the calling was coming, keep on coming, I was running away from it. Ndikaenda kunotsvaka basa. Ndikapinda basa pane imwe company. Musi Friday, ndapinda iri Monday ndikapromotwa. Musi wandakapromotwa ndakuudzwa kunzi ndiri kupiwa company car, ndikatanga kurwara seriously. Very serious. From Norway kutanga kuchaya. Ndokusiya kwandakaita basa. Ndakatodzidzawo ndine ma-qualifications akawanda. I could have done other things, but I'm just doing this because I'm following my calling. Ndikatraya kutiza calling, ndikaenda mumupedzanamo in 2005. Ndichingonopinda mumupedzanamo, Mwari akandiudza kuti this is not your job. You have a lot of things that you should be doing. You are a minister. You are a pastor. Ndichipinda mumupedzanamo, ndikatorerwa mabhero 4 panguva yemuramatsvina. Ndochete pandakazotambira calling. Ndikatanga chechi. Ndaona kuti this is my calling and this is my area. I have nothing that I know besides church. Church is me. Ministry is me. It is within me. You can take away everything from me, but you cannot take ministry from me. I grew up in Glenview. Ndiri mwana wa Glenview. But I know I have a lot of enemies. This is the reason why church dzatanga kupwanyirwa pangu. Because my reasons evanhu vanaziya. Asi chandingangotaura ndechekuti kungondiudza kuti bvisa structure ndaibvisa. I was not going to deny you because ndinoshanda nemi vanhu vekukanzuru. Zvamunoziya. Andikwanise kufamba ndichitaura kuti ndakaitira kanzuru zvakati nezvakati, ndikabatsira zvakati nezvakati. I don't do that. Even up to now, chero mandibata panorwadza, andinofa ndakadaro. But those who know me, they know me. Kuti whatever I do in life, I put people first. I just have a giving heart. I don't know why you're fighting me. Vamwe vanhu vemuglenview, I don't know the reason why you're fighting me. I am not a politician and I have no ambitions. I'm just a pastor. I just do my things. I just follow what God is saying. Vanhu vekukanzuro ndimakandipa handina kuerekana ndaenda ipapo. Pamaoffices pedu pakatanga kukura chechi tisisakwane, I approached the council. Mukauya mukandichekera mukandiudza kuti apa ndopaunonamatira. Inini vanhu vekukanzuro, ko kana manga musisade, was it difficult for you to just say it's time for you to move? I could have moved. But why? Okay, maybe God allowed this to happen so that I will be a voice. Because kune vamwe vanhu vakapwanyirwa but haana kana mari yekuenda live pa Facebook kana mabundles acho haana but akapwanyirwa. Ini ndinongofunga kuti izvozvi mukangotaurira vanhu kuti tiri kuti vanhu vese vane zvinhu zvakati nezvakati, bvisai zvinhu zvenyu, we are giving you 2 or 3 days, surely hamubofa makaona paine chinhu. Because vanhu vemuZimbabwe vanhu vanoteerera zvandoziya. Kana vasiri kuteerera inenge itori nzara iri kuita kuti vasateerere. But I know Zimbabweans, we listen and we respect the law. That's Zimbabweans that I know. Vanhu vakangoudzwa kunze bvisai zvinhu zvenyu, I am sure vanobvisa.